Hi, if this is you, then we have the best hairstyle for you. I know you've struggled to settle on which hairstyle best suits you, but here we go. If, for example, you hate frequent visit to salon, maybe from dryer heat, pain from scalp, you just hate everything to do with a salon, this set is best for you, trust me. Maybe you work out a lot. When you say a gym, you're morning person, you run, you frequently go to swimming, or maybe you live in a very dusty area where you frequently need to wash your hair, then this is the best set for you. Sisterlocks will not disappoint you, mama. That one, trust me, it will not. So get a professional. In this case, I will recommend us, Locs Alchemist and Spa, next to JKUAT main gate, and get yourself a professionally done set, and you'll be set for life. You have no idea how much freedom those Sisterlocks will come with. It will give you an amazing time to do other things and think about other things. Welcome, guys.